In this video, we are diving into one of the biggest questions of our time. Is AI going to take away our jobs or create a new kind of opportunity? Question 1. Is AI really replacing humans? Question 2. If highly paid professionals are being replaced, then who is still safe? Question 3. So, what makes a job hard for AI to replace? Question 4. Does this mean AI won't take our jobs? Question 5. How should we use AI to stay ahead? Question 6. What is happening in the real world because of AI? Here comes the final question. Will AI take your job in 2026? Hello friends. Welcome to our new video. In this video, we are diving into one of the biggest questions of our time. Is AI going to take away our jobs or create a new kind of opportunity? And more importantly, how can you stay ahead in this massive shift? Let's break it down in the way that prepares you, inspires you, and gives you clarity. Let me begin with a simple question. What if I told you that the people losing their jobs today aren't the ones you think, and the people rising to the top aren't the ones with the finest degrees? Sounds surprising, right? But stay with me, because the truth might change the way you look at your entire career. Let's drill down to some of the questions. Question 1. Is AI really replacing humans? Let's rewind a little. Back in 1983, the New York Times declared, "The factory of tomorrow will not have any humans." The prediction was bold. Automation would transform the world, but not the way anyone expected. Because here we are in 2025, and guess who actually got replaced? Not the factory workers, but the highly paid analysts, the legal researchers, the content writers, the data entry experts. AI replaced jobs that were predictable, structured, routine. Jobs built inside spreadsheets, documents, and templates. Question 2. If highly paid professionals are being replaced, then who is still safe? Here is where it gets interesting. The people still thriving today are not the ones sitting in the glass buildings. They are the electricians, the plumbers, the carpenters, the mechanics, the welders. Why? Because their work deals with real-world unpredictability, the kind AI still struggles with. You can teach a robot to perform precise surgery, but ask it to pick up a cup filled to the brim with hot tea, and suddenly it becomes confused and clumsy. The real world is messy, chaotic, unpredictable, and humans are incredibly good at navigating unpredictability. Question 3. So, what makes a job hard for AI to replace? Any job that uses the full spectrum of human intelligence, physical intelligence, emotional intelligence, creative intelligence, problem-solving intelligence. Think of a therapist reading emotions in the real time, a mechanic identifying an engine issue just by listening, a teacher adjusting their explanation based on a child's expression. These roles don't run on fixed rules. They run on adaptability, intuition, and connection. And that's exactly what AI lacks. Question 4. Does this mean AI won't take our jobs? Here is the real truth. AI won't replace people, but the people who use AI will replace the people who don't. That's the actual shift happening right now. If someone uses AI to do their job for them, they will fall behind. But if someone uses AI to enhance their work, they will outperform everyone else. AI is not a replacement. AI is an upgrade, but only if you choose to use it in that way. Question 5. How should we use AI to stay ahead? This is the most important part. Let me explain it with 3 real-life scenarios. Example 1. Workplace communication, team feedback. We often write performance feedback or tough emails at work. Sometimes the tone feels right, but we are unsure how it will land to the other person. So before sending, ask the AI, what emotion will the message trigger? The AI replies, defensive, discouraged, undervalued. That's not the outcome we want. So we refine the message, we rewrite the tone, we adjust the wordings. AI isn't replacing our communication, it's sharpening it. It's helping us to send messages that motivate, not demotivate. Example 2. Helping a child learn. Parenting, teaching. One day, I was helping my niece with maths. I explained a concept twice, but she still looked confused. So I asked AI, explain this like she is 10 years old. AI broke it down with simple story, a metaphor, and a visual example. She understood instantly. That's when I realized AI doesn't just give answers, it gives you new ways to teach, guide, and support. Example 3. Handling conflict, emotional intelligence. A friend once sent me a message that sounded harsh. I felt like reacting immediately, but I paused and I asked AI, what could be the possible intentions behind this message? The AI said they might be stressed, overwhelmed, or trying to communicate urgency. That one insight changed everything. My emotional reaction disappeared and the conflict was avoided. AI didn't solve the problem. It helped me respond with wisdom instead of impulse. These three examples teach one powerful message. AI isn't replacing human intelligence. It's helping us use our intelligence more effectively. Question 6. What is happening in the real world because of AI? Last year, a marketing agency fired 60% of their content team, not because AI replaced them, but because 4 people using AI did the work for the rest. These weren't geniuses. They were normal people who mastered AI tools. A new digital divide is forming. On one side, people who use AI to enhance their thinking, creativity, and productivity. On the other side, people who avoid AI, fear it, or assume their job is safe. Here comes the final question. Will AI take your job in 2026? The answer depends on one thing. Will you fear AI or you will make it your ally? Those who ignore AI will be the first one to fall behind. But those who learn it, use it, and apply it won't just survive, they will dominate. A massive wave is coming. You can let it wash over you, or you can learn to surf it. What should you do right now? Understand how AI is transforming your industry. Study the tools top performers already use. Identify tasks AI can speed up. Deliver results faster, better, and smarter. When you do that, you become irreplaceable. The future belongs to those who partner with AI, not those who fight it. So ask yourself today, which side of this new digital divide will you stand on? Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.